Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you need to update your email on Vinted. Maybe you lost access to the old one or you just want to switch accounts. So in today's small tutorial I'm gonna go through how to actually change your Vinted email fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, you can go through this using the Vinted app. If it's on your region, just go to App Store or Google Play Store, download the Vinted app, and go to the profile. Otherwise, you can use Vinted.com. So just make sure you are fully connected to the internet and go through the settings here. Okay, so we have the account settings. As you see, account settings, just tap on it. Phone number and email address. Go all the way and tap on change. That's it, basically just tap on change and enter your new email address. Confirm through the verification link sent to your inbox immediately. As for an important note, you may need to enter your password to confirm the change because it's basically something that you should do to make sure everything is safe. You should also verify the new email immediately to avoid login issues later. Make sure you enter the exact same correct email. We don't want any bad things happening to your account, so keep it in mind. And that's the whole idea here. You can even go through the phone number. You can basically change multiple options. It all depends on you. Okay, so as you see in the account settings, you can change the username, full name, gender, birthday, all of this. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.